In urban property management, every second counts. Whether it's vandalism, illegal dumping, or suspicious activity, delays in reporting can mean more damage, more cost, and more frustration. That's where See It Send It comes in. See It Send It is the real-time reporting app that empowers tenants, property managers, and maintenance teams to report issues immediately with photo, video, and GPS tag details. No more vague phone calls, no more waiting. Just fast, accurate communication that turns concern into action. Whether you manage high-rises, apartment complexes, or commercial spaces, See It Send It connects your team to what's happening on the ground right now. Urban challenges demand smart solutions. With See It Send It, you're not just managing property, you're protecting your investment, your community, and your peace of mind. See it. Send it. Solve it together. Request a demo today at seeitsendit.com.